on the right.
Yeah, did you get your credential? Your race credential?
No, they didn't, but like you said, I'm gonna just, just use my face.
Just use your face?
Just use your face.
If anything, I have a crew one.
Oh, to get it in?
Yeah, if you just need to like show that you're crew or whatever, we'll just make Peter sit on the floor or something.
Been here all week. We're still recording the same one?
Yeah.
It hasn't changed since we've been here.
I know, but it's every day is different. See, every day it's different.
Yeah, every day, he's right, every day is different.
Because today we had that big ass line.
You were there for about an hour, huh?
We were there for 2 hours.
2 hours?
2 hours, yeah, because we left at like 3:45 and it's like 5:45, yeah. Yeah, I even got like nearly an extra hour of sleep.
But the tender's opposite.
Beautiful.
Pretty comfortable in your trailer with the trailer. Holy shit.
It's probably a good sign.
Oh.
Fucking Lord.
See, this is normal. Out there it was not normal.
Mm-hmm. I remember this last year. God. It's like it's perfect for fishing.
Evaporations.
Cool if you just like.
There's nobody fishing.
Throw a line.
Oh shit.
Too early.
Sitting here just like,
Alright, we're nearly
the
there.
guys built that car and they just said, here you go. It's ready.
The super
You don't need a
van.
bunch of geniuses to run the bitch, whatever. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's like this car just put gas in.
Yeah, just keep it
Mad
gas.
Mike.
If there's any red lights, call us.
Yeah.
Finery.
Yes, sir.
Finery.
Hello, good morning, Pikes Peak.
Oh, what the?
Right here.
Oh shit.
It's left here.
Damn. Hey, can we get, yeah.
Yeah.
Try to go back.
Yeah.
I get that? Yeah.
Crazy, so many people are here, man. We already got everything set up. We got the tires wrapped up like little babies in there, you know. And then pretty much now we just gotta wait for our turn. But yeah, that line was crazy to get in. I think people are still probably stuck in there, so not everybody's here. I'm gonna just walk around and show you guys like how crazy it is, like with all the people out. Pretty much all the cars lined up alongside of the road and also in there. But it is gonna be, I think, pretty difficult to get down because everybody wants to get down once the whole, you know, shabank is ended. One of the coolest cars on the grid is still Mad Mike's, man. Lord, that engine is very low, so it must bring the weight down to the bottom of the car. super wind.
Yeah, thank you for showing up.
God damn, I should go inside too, huh? Damn. Everything is super clean. Action, guys. So you know, we are like on the 1/3 of that grid. That's why we are thinking like 10, 11-ish. But it might be a little later since the line down the mountain is like mad crazy. Where can I get through? Project Import is here. There's more, there is cars over there also. The crazy Mustang that was behind us in the line on tech inspection. Ooh. Always like these, at least is a lot. Tiny car, man. Little go-kart. Pduh. Ooh. That thing is all spiced up and crazy. So they just played on it. This is for days. Well, come on now, Porsches are hot as fuck though. Yokohama boot.
Even when we do that, let's face it, it's a rough road. We're not so good. We just do the best we can up there. I have my line picked out by now. I'm very comfortable with exactly where that is, and so fingers crossed. You know, the bump part of it will be a minimal factor. So we're going to take a look at your car here in just a moment, and I want you to tell me a bit about the development process with this car. You have to approach this pretty differently than any normal road race car. You don't get a lot of opportunities to test it where it's going to be running. So what's that development process been like for a chassis that you're familiar with? It's been around different worlds for a very long time. Iterations year over year, how much has changed over time?
Well, first of all,
Hydro diesel, huh?
So you seem, you just tell like
Morning. Plus I checked, Jay, we have 66 cars running.
You know, it's crazy. 75 signed up.
So the rest either had issues or some happened. And then I saw the last 3 cars on the thing, they don't have times. DNFs? Pretty much, yeah, I think.
So we're going to have to get rid of the front crank rails. So then it turned into kind of a semi-tube. We were comfortable with that. I work with a lot of customers on car build, and I teach them to do exactly not what we did on this car, because this thing just escalated and got away from us even before we were finished. But you know, we made that iteration. We still kept the shell of the E36 at that point, and it basically had a tube frame under it with that big V8 motor, big twin turbos, and then we might as well move the tunnels further forward. So the tunnels got bigger. That's roughly the car we ran in 21. Then because of the bumps, like we're talking about, the bumps are so big, we cut the rear end off the car.
Oh look, but there is somebody even better. Hi. Hell yeah.